We said this sentence structure are really useful, right? Really useful. Okay, and do you know how to say your nationality? No, okay. You know, your nationality is a little bit long. Okay, I'll type to you here. Okay, this one. 哥斯达黎加. This is your country's name. This one. 好，这个. Can you try to read by yourself? Okay. 哥斯达黎加. Jiǎn, it's Jiǎn. 对 great. Jiǎn. Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is your country's name. This is your country's name. And if you want to say you are the citizens of Costa Rica, so we say 哥斯达黎加人. We add one more word. 人. Like a people. 人. This one. Okay. 对，人，对，很好，人。Yeah, people. So you see, we just combine some words together. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So it's not hard for you, right? Great. Great. 很好. Okay, so if we want to say the people in some country, we just first say the country's name and put 人 here. Okay, so do you know how to say China? It's 中国 China, 中国. Yeah. It's 中国. That's okay. 中国. Okay, 中国 is China. Okay. So now I have a question. How about to say Chinese? Like a China people? Can you try? No idea. Okay. So we combine China and the people together. 中国人. Yeah, it's 中国人. Okay. Yeah, Chinese. This one. 中国人. Okay, 中国人. Okay. 好. So now, I am a Chinese. I will say 我是中国人. How about you? People? 我是哥斯达黎加人. Don't forget to say 人. Yeah, 人 means people. You must say this. Okay. 好. Yeah. So now you need to say I am Costa Ricans. You need to say this. Okay. So can you try to say this by yourself? Can you try to say this by yourself?哥斯达黎加。对，加 ，not 呀，对，对 ，yeah，not 呀 ，it's 加，人 ，okay，so how about introduce my nationality? You are Chinese. Where? Yeah, great. 很好。我是中国人。对，很好。Okay? 好。Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave the comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。